Welcome to your long weekend weather forecast. Let's jump right into our stage 0 solar radiation map. And with lots of sunshine on the public holiday in the west, you'll have peak performance on your solar panels. But unfortunately, poor PV harvest here in the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu Natal, and average to poor over the central parts of South Africa. This area of a very weak signal in the solar radiation forecast shifting to the northeastern areas on Saturday. This is most likely an indication of lots of cloud, which could be accompanied by showers and thunderstorms. So let's get into the weekend forecast. Our synoptic analysis is showing on the public holiday an onshore flow will push in cooler conditions for KwaZulu Natal with light showers at times, and then later a band of thunderstorms expected to develop here over northwest, stretching into the Free State, becoming scattered to widespread in some areas, and also scattered thunderstorms and showers spreading into Mpumalanga and parts of Limpopo, with a fresh southerly wind blowing along the coast of the Western as well as the Northern Cape. Into Saturday, stormy conditions shifting a little bit more northeastwards over Gauteng, Limpopo, Mpumalanga and parts of KwaZulu Natal, with still lots of sunshine over western South Africa, a little bit windy at times along the west coast. On Sunday, most of the stormy conditions clearing up, only partly cloudy skies with isolated afternoon thunderstorms likely over eastern South Africa, and becoming sizzling hot in the west, in some areas temperatures soaring close to 40 degrees. Here's your summary for Friday. On the public holiday, a band of scattered storms expected to stretch from the afternoon over northwest the Free State, becoming widespread here over the central areas as well as the southern parts, moving over Lesotho, the northern areas of KwaZulu Natal, and also becoming scattered from late afternoon into Friday night into parts of Mpumalanga as well as Limpopo. A few isolated storms likely in Gauteng, with light rain still likely along the southern coastline and in parts of the Eastern Cape as well as KwaZulu Natal. For those of you travelling to your holiday destination on the public holiday from Gauteng, please drive earlier rather than later, because from the afternoon, a few storms could become severe here in the Free State, northwest, as well as the interior of KwaZulu Natal, and they could also produce large amounts of small hail damage and winds or heavy downpours. And if you are traveling, please drive safely and keep a safe distance from you and the car in front of you. So on a Saturday, as mentioned, stormy conditions shifting more northeastwards over Limpopo, Mpumalanga and KwaZulu Natal. That's where we are expecting widespread showers and thunderstorms. The South African Weather Service will also most likely issue a warning for the possibility of heavy downpours and severe storms in those areas, and a few isolated thunderstorms possible later over northwest and yet again the Free State. Into Sunday, an onshore flow bringing in some cloud and a slight chance of drizzle for the southern coastline. Very isolated thunderstorms likely here in the Eastern Cape, with only a 30% chance of a few patchy storms developing over the northern and eastern areas from the afternoon. On a Friday, a southwesterly wind blowing fresh at times along the coast of KwaZulu Natal as well as here over the interior, and also a fresh southerly wind for the west coast blowing strong over the southern coast of our neighbouring country, Namibia. And then into Saturday, light winds over central and eastern South Africa, and a northeaster now blowing fresh between Durban as well as East London, and still that southerly wind blowing fresh at times along the west coast. And then on Sunday, winds picking up over parts of northwest in the Free State, later a fresh westerly wind blowing over large parts of the Northern Cape and the Karoo, a southerly breeze for the Little Karoo, and a strong northeaster blowing along the east coast. Lovely conditions on the public holiday in terms of temperatures across the country, with mid to upper 20s. It's only quite cool here in the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu Natal, with mostly cloudy conditions and temperatures around 20 degrees. Still sunny and warm to very warm on Saturday across the country, especially here in the Northern Cape. Mild over eastern South Africa with lots of cloud and isolated showers and thunderstorms. Also much cooler conditions moving into parts of Mpumalanga. And then a sizzling hot Sunday for western South Africa in the shade of dark red, maximum temperatures soaring close to 40 degrees. It's warm to very warm over the northeastern areas, and hot weather returns to KwaZulu Natal. So as the sun sets on 2023, the Vox Weather girls want to wish you all a merry festive season and happy new year. Enjoy the time with friends and family, and we'll see you early in the new year.
Introducing the Volta 700X portable power station, your ultimate companion for power on the go. And compact utility for camping, home or office. Stay connected.